So if you're a member of the Joe Rewards program and you've earned a gift like a free pizza or a 20% off voucher and you want to use that on your next online order, this is how you do it. First, you're going to go to Joe Cristiano's Pizza and you're going to go to our order online. You're going to pick which store you're going to go to. It's going to bring us to our online ordering page. Now, of course, you can get to this page if you have it saved in your favorites, whatever. You don't have to go through our website, but I'm just showing that to make it easy. But you can, as long as you're on this page, you can get here however you want. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit log in. When you log in, you're going to have to put in your email address and your password. All right, so let's place an order. So we're going to place an order like we normally would. I'm going to get a large cheese, I'm going to get a large pepperoni pizza. And I'm going to get a side of garlic knots. So then I would go to my cart and then checkout. And now you'll see that I have on the left hand side apply rewards. So these are the gifts that I already have. Right, so these are the gifts, the rewards that I've earned. Based on what is in my cart, large cheese pizza and garlic knots, I can see the rewards that are applicable to the cart. So if I had a free dessert reward also, I'm not going to see it here because I don't have a dessert in my cart. If I go back to the menu, add a dessert, then you would see the free dessert voucher if I had one. So basically it's very simple. You just select the rewards that you want to use in this transaction. So you don't have to. I could finish this and just finish the transaction without hitting any rewards if I don't want to use them today, or I could click on them and you'll see that they will be reflected in the price. So a free large cheese pizza. I ordered a pizza with pepperoni, and you'll see that the reward is giving me the free cheese pizza for $14.75. The pepperoni obviously costs more, so that's all that's left is the difference between the cheese pie and the pepperoni pie. I could use the free garlic knots as well, and then, or I could not use either of those and then instead use my 20% off voucher, which is reflected down in the bottom here under discounts. So it's going to take $4.05 off the subtotal of 2024. So that's it. That's how you apply your rewards to your online order. That's it. If you have any questions, the best thing to do is to use the contact us form on our website and submit your rewards questions through that. That's the best way to get the correct answer in regard to any questions you might have. We also have a couple other videos up in regard to different ways that you can apply your rewards and manage your rewards. All right, have a good one. Thank you.